ahead of the winter session of Parliament, in his customary address, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a sharp message to the opposition. Prime Minister said that the opposition must do its duty in Parliament and focus on raising key and important issues. He cautioned against post-defeat drama, urging opposition to deliver for people instead of creating disruptions inside the House. The Prime Minister also said Parliament should not be misused to get over defeats, adding that those who are unable to accept defeat must find some other place for drama. Taking a swipe at disruptors, the Prime Minister also said that the opposition often vents its frustration in Parliament rather than participating in constructive debates. Listen in.
इस नई पीढ़ी के अनुभव सदन के माध्यम से राष्ट्र को भी लाभान्वित करेंगे और इसलिए मेरा आग्रह रहेगा कि हम इन चीजों को गंभीरता से लें। ड्रामा करने के लिए जगह बहुत होती है, जिसको करना है करते रहें। यहां ड्रामा नहीं, डिलीवरी होनी चाहिए। नारे के लिए भी जितने नारे बुलवाने हैं वो पूरा देश खाली पड़ा है। जहां पराजित होकर के आए वहां बोल चुके हो, जहां अभी पराजय के लिए जाने वाले हो वहां भी बोल दीजिए, लेकिन यहां तो नारे नहीं, नीति पर बल देना चाहिए।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी,
बिहार में जो चुनाव हुए उसमें भी मतदान के जो विक्रम हुआ है वो लोकतंत्र की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। माताओं बहनों की जो भागीदारी बढ़ रही है ये अपने आप में एक नई आशा, नया विश्वास पैदा करती है। एक तरफ लोकतंत्र की मजबूती और इस लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्थाओं के भीतर अर्थतंत्र की मजबूती, इसको भी दुनिया बहुत बारीकी से देख रही है।
Now, viewers, Prime Minister Modi warned about drama in Parliament and his words seemed to come true. Outside the House, attention shifted to a very unusual spectacle. Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary arrived at Sansad at the Parliament premises with her pet dog, sparking immediate debate and a controversy. The sight of a personal pet inside the high-security premises quickly became the day's most talked-about incident. Speaking to reporters, Renuka Chaudhary dismissed concerns, saying that the dog was small and harmless and insisted it would not bite anyone. She further said that the real dogs who bite were inside Parliament. Listen in.
जानवर को पसंद नहीं करते है ना सरकार। गूंगा जानवर गाड़ी में चले गए तो इनको क्या तकलीफ है? काटने वाला कुत्ता दिखा क्या? इतनी सी तो है, काटने वाले और है पार्लियामेंट में, कुत्ते नहीं।
सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न
कौन सी सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है?
उसका भी पास बनता है क्या?
अच्छा बना दो, बाकी तो हम क्या बोले, बना दो पास उसका।
And then we also tried to speak with Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary on this particular issue and what she really said about, the parliamentarians, fellow MPs. Here's how Renuka Chaudhary responded.
Rubbish, what are they talking? I took a dog to the visitors gallery. There's something radically wrong there. I think you've got your facts horribly wrong.
No, your car, the dog was in the car. The video has been surfaced.
Yes, the dog was in the car. It never went to the visitors gallery, baby. You're asking me, saying it went to the visitors gallery.
Ma'am, that was but now BJP MPs are also saying that is you are misusing your privilege and that it's a safety threat and action should be taken against you.
Achha, what is the safety action they're going to take against me? What is the action they took against those boys who jumped from the visitors gallery into the parliament with their shoes having gas and all that? What are they talking? Tell them to focus. The BLAs have died. Do something about that.
Ma'am, if you can explain what has happened.
I have nothing to explain. This is the most ridiculous controversy, unnecessary. There are far more important issues in the parliament and in Congress. And what are they talking about? I was going on the road, a car and a scooter had an accident. There was a small dog running like this on this traffic.
So I said, stop. It was going to come under a car. I said, pick it up and put it in the car, drop me and take it back. That's all. What is the big drama? They're worried about a small puppy being a security threat. What about all those boys who jumped in from the visitors gallery? Talk nonsense. It's a waste of time. I don't want to talk on this.
Now, viewers, the controversy over Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary's the dog, in fact, she brought to the parliament has taken a political turn, with the BJP calling her remarks an insult to democracy. Party has accused Renuka Chaudhary of insulting parliamentary staff by referring to them as a dog. BJP leaders also reminded that she had allegedly made similar remarks about security personnel during Operation Mahadev and Operation Sindoor too. Listen in.
Renuka Chaudhary has insulted Parliament and MPs. She brings a dog to Parliament, and when asked about it, she says that those who bite are inside. That means the Parliament, parliamentary staff, MPs, they are the dogs, in her opinion. She has in the past also insulted our Jawans when she mocked Operation Mahadev and Operation Sindoor. This is the true face of Renuka Chaudhary and the Congress party. They have no respect for Sena, no respect for Samvidhanik Sanstha, for Election Commission, for Judiciary, for Parliament.
Now, viewers, coming back to the point that the Prime Minister was trying to make in his address before the winter session of Parliament began. Now, the political temperature rose sharply after his remarks on drama in Parliament. Congress and several opposition leaders hit back, accusing the Prime Minister of deflecting from core issues. Congress leaders dismissed Prime Minister's charge completely, insisting that issues like electoral roll revisions and rising pollution, in fact, are legitimate concerns and not drama. They accuse the government, in fact, of trying to avoid these debates by labeling them as theatrics. Opposition netas also countered the allegation of disruptions, arguing that it is the government and the Prime Minister in particular who have prevented them from raising matters of public importance. They say the responsibility for frequent adjournments lies squarely with the ruling side. Several leaders also accused the Prime Minister of hypocrisy in claiming that his own comments amounted to the very theatrics he accuses others of. Listen in.
I suggest that urgent issues like what you said, pollution, other issues, SIR, which are these are huge issues. Let's discuss them. What is Parliament for? Let's discuss them. Let them have a discussion. It's not drama. Speaking about issues, raising issues is not drama. Drama is not allowing discussion. Drama is not having a democratic discussion about issues that matter to the public.
Talking about this is now not the place of slogan shouting. Yes, it is applicable to whom? Whenever he himself is coming to the house, entire BJP and Treasury benches shouting slogan Modi, Modi, Modi. This is not a slogan shouting. We shouting the slogan for raising the people's issue, for raising the core issue of this country.
First, let him park his ego on his own ego somewhere else. You know, this disproportionate ego which he has, the whole world has witnessed. All his hugging and kissing and jappi and him answer Trump now, who has told us 62 times that he was the one who managed Operation Sindoor. He's the master for drama. We are no match to him. Ye to manna padega.
And viewers, a lot happened in the Rajya Sabha as well. We saw uproar and a war of words. This not over any policy or legislation, but over remarks concerning the former Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, expressed regret that the House did not get a chance to bid farewell to Mr. Dhankar, calling his exit unexpected and unprecedented in Parliament's history. Responding sharply, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju reminded the House of the language the Congress members of Parliament specifically had used against the former Vice President and Chairman during his tenure. He criticized the removal notice and other statements, saying such words had tarnished the dignity of the chair. Rijiju appealed to the members to refrain from unnecessary references on this solemn occasion. Listen.
I hope you will not mind that I am constrained to refer to your predecessor's completely unexpected and sudden exit from the office of the chairman Rajya Sabha, which is unprecedented in the annals of parliamentary history. I was disheartened
Please,
that
आप
the
बैठिए।
House did not get an opportunity to bid him a farewell. Regardless, I wish him, on behalf of the entire opposition, a very healthy life.
खड़गे जी, आपका लोकसभा में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, आप और आपका चीफ व्हिप जयराम रमेश जी, आप लोगों ने जो हरकतें की है, मैं इस सदन में जिक्र करना नहीं चाहता हूं। एक लोकतंत्र में हम एक दूसरे के प्रति सम्मान देना चाहिए।
आप बैठिए जी, आप बैठिए।
ये तो एलओपी साहब अगर वो विषय से नहीं भटकते तो मुझे कहने का आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ता। सर, ये जो उन्होंने जो मैटर रेफर किया है, ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। मैं सदन पर सिर्फ इतना याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने भूतपूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति को, भूतपूर्व चेयरमैन को जिस भाषा का इस्तेमाल करके आप लोगों ने जो अपमान किया, आप क्या वो भूल गए? आप लोगों ने भूतपूर्व चेयरमैन के बारे में जो अनाप शनाप बात करके आप लोगों ने रिमूवल मोशन जो सर्व किया है, और जो भाषा, वो कॉपी अभी भी हमारे पास है। कांग्रेस पार्टी और आप लोगों ने फॉर्मर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ जो भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया, जो आप लोगों ने रिमूवल नोटिस में जो शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया, आप लोग खुद सोचिए कि चेयर का गरिमा को आप लोगों ने कितना